Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. This day I will memorize or make video about this week. I have memorized. I have memorized two texts and two conversations. Now, first text. Great athletes are individuals who possess extraordinary discipline, dedication, and perseverance. They train tirelessly, pushing their bodies and minds beyond limits to achieve excellence in their sport. Their journey is filled with challenges, including injuries, setbacks, and intense competition. However, what sets them apart is their unwavering determination obstacles to overcome obstacles and continuously improve. Second text. A great athlete is not only defined by their physical abilities but also by their mental strength and sportsmanship. They display remarkable focus, confidence, and the ability to stay calm under pressure. Beyond winning medals and trophies, they uphold values such as fairness, respect, and teamwork. Many legendary athletes serve as role models, motivating young generation to big dream and never give up. Whether on the fields, courts, or track, their dedication and passion make them true champions. First conversation. Alia. Hi Daniel. Have you heard about Michael Jordan? He is considered one of the greatest athletes of all time. Daniel. Of course. He dominated basketball in the 90s, 6 NBA championship and 5 MVP awards. He was unstoppable. Alia. Exactly. His work and determination are unbelievable. Do you think he's the greatest athlete of all time? Daniel. He is definitely one of all time, one of them. But if we talk about of athleticism, overall athleticism, some might argue that Muhammad Ali or Serena Williams deserve that title too. Second conversation. Ben, hey Sarah, who do you think is great athlete of all time? Sarah, that's tough question. I'd say Usain Bolt. He's fastest man in history. Ben, that's great choice. But what about Cristiano Ronaldo? He's been at the top of football for nearly 2 decades. Sarah. So his dedication and fitness level are unbelievable. But both record make never be broken. Then that's fair. But don't forget about Simone Biles. She's completely changed gymnastics. Sarah, you are right. She's won so many medals and performs no one's and perform move no one else can do. That's all my memories this weekend. I think enough. If you want to be world class student, let's come to Nizamia. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.